This is not empty.
Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And it's time to clear out the old to make room for the new. And we've got our empties. We go first with our matching empty. This is the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I love this stuff.
I mean, I was like, how can that work? That does seem so stupid to me, but Megan turned me on to it. I tried it this summer. I freaking love it. Now, a question for you. Do you put lotion on after you put this on too?
So in the summer, no. In the winter, when I get out of the shower, if I don't have lotion on, my skin's like immediately feels painfully itchy. So this just kind of like buys me some time. I don't always, quite frankly, I'm lazy.
Me too.
So sometimes like just this is all that happens. But if I'm feeling like indulgent and less lazy, then I might put on a little more, but I don't actually find that I need it that much.
Me neither. I hate the process of putting lotion on. There's just something I don't enjoy about it. Like, do you feel that way?
I like it when I do it, and I like lotion that smells nice. That's the thing, and this has no scent, which is great, honestly, but...
Wait, I thought mine did. Do we have the same one or no?
Yeah.
I think it has a scent. It smells like paste, actually. Like childhood paste.
Okay.
A little bit, right? A little bit. Anyway, it still works. It's really good. This is Renewing Pumpkin Enzyme Body Scrub from Bath & Body Works. Yes, I said it right. I bought this like before, it was probably the end of summer, you know, when they put all the fall stuff out. I just was like, smells good. Smells like, you don't like that smell, do you?
I don't. I'm sorry.
I don't care. I was into this during the fall. I'm annoyed that I can't get the rest of it out. There is like a little bit.
Cut it open.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I'm totally, with stuff that I love, I just...
Well, I don't know if I love it. I liked it. All right.
All right. Guys, I don't know. This is not exciting, but this is the Dove Anti-Stress Micellar Water Body Wash. I know, like, I think they're just putting
words together. Anti-stress how? Micellar water? I thought that was for your face. Now you're using it on your body.
Soothing cleanser that purifies from environmental stressors, ultra mild and gentle. Look, it got me clean. It smells nice. It's clear. You know, normally Dove body wash is like white.
Yeah.
Sulfate free. I enjoyed this.
Hello.
It made me, I mean, it smells nice in the shower.
Is there anything left?
Not, you might be able to like puff a scent out.
I'm scared. Oh,
yeah, it smells nice. It was nice.
Like babies, actually.
I mean, I don't want to like oversell the Dove body wash because it's a body wash that I bought at Target, but I did enjoy it.
I got these ultra vibrant whitening strips. This was a trial pack. The Up and Up brand.
strips.
They are Bobo Crest strips. But what I like about them, they don't slip.
Oh,
not at all.
They make you drool? I mean,
no,
I think
but when I took them off, it was like I had to peel them off,
interesting.
and then I had to brush after because it left like stuff.
Yeah.
But I was
even
like,
regular strips leave stuff behind.
Yeah. Anyway, I like these ones because they didn't slip. And these must have come in like a beauty box or something, because why would I have an Up and Up trial pack? I didn't buy them.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway. They're cheaper than Crest ones.
There's one left in here.
Oh, I have seen a lot. Ooh. Ulta on Cyber Monday had like a pack of those for like, not super cheap, but you know, I know you like that brand.
These are the facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty, and I loved these.
You are so particular about what you put on your face.
I am.
So surprised.
I am. And I actually got these during one of the Ulta sales. They had like a First Aid Beauty pack, and in it there were two things that I really loved, and it was these and the lip balm. I went bonkers for that lip balm, but it's a $12 lip balm, and honestly, like, I don't know.
What's your code? I want to see if Ulta still has that. Okay.
Need it here.
It's just got so many folders on here, guys. I don't know what's happening.
I quite enjoy these. They're not that expensive, and also with pads like this, you guys know you can cut them in half and get double the use. But there were 60 in here, and I use them like every other night because I try and alternate what I use on my skin. Wendy's like, you're real cheap cutting them in half. But,
I'm not.
I like these.
Okay, cool. Moving on. Speaking of cheap,
clearance sticker. I love it.
This is, I think it's called number 7. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah, number 7, clearance, $4.48, was $8.99. Felt like a huge bargain. Now I know why it was on sale, because it was crap.
Oh.
Sorry. It's a waterproof eye makeup remover.
I mean, you finished it.
I did.
But it didn't make your makeup just melt
My
right off.
holy grail is the Lancome.
Oh, yes. The one that you have to shake.
It's fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
And I felt like this was kind of like that too, because you could see like it was separated. And no, it's not.
That Lancome is good.
It's so good. And I talk about like just spending my dollars wisely. I should just buy that. You know what I mean?
Right, because it does the job.
Right.
You know you like it.
Anyway.
So 100 years ago, Rodeo sent us this stuff, and this is the Dragon's Blood Velvet Cream, and I probably used this longer than I should have. It's been done
Why?
for
You
a
think it's
while.
expired?
Well, I don't think you're supposed to have like a product you put on your face open for 2 years.
It's been that long since we did that video?
I don't remember.
We'll link it up above here.
It's been a while, but I did love it.
Oh.
It's like a $90 face cream. Would not
What?
repurchase it. Although every time I used it, I was like, oh, this is so nice. It was very soothing. It was very moisturizing. Sometimes I wash my face at the end of the night and it feels like really dry, and I want to like dip it in the vat of something, and this was very nice.
So you wouldn't repurchase it because it was $90, or
Yeah.
because you
It was
didn't like the
great.
product?
At maybe $40, I would buy a $40 face cream. A $90 face cream, I feel like, is it that much better?
Expensive face creams. This is, I know I've talked about this in my favorites. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture face cream. I think, I was like, is there stuff in there still? Or is that empty? Oh, this is not empty. I think I did have an empty one, and I must have just put this one in my empties basket, and now I know that I still have more. When did I buy this? Summertime, maybe? No, it's
not
probably
old.
fine. And I really need the moisture right now. My face is so dry. Okay, sorry about that.
So speaking of dry skin, I am in love with these. These are the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Overnight Gel Mask, and you buy them individually, which is great. You don't need to commit to them if you want to just try them out. They're sold just like this. And I actually bought these to take on vacation. I'm like, I'm gonna do a mask on the plane. I didn't do that, guys.
You didn't?
No, and here's why. I got on the plane, I was like, I'm gonna rinse it off in the airplane bathroom?
Yes, gross.
Because you do need,
Well, you could have probably asked her something.
to what, like a hot towel? I'm not quite that lady.
Drinking her champagne.
I mean, I probably could have, but then like rub it on my face. I don't know. I would have felt bad.
All right. You're like,
Because we were on an overnight flight, and I was like, I'm going to arrive refreshed. I didn't do that. Because the thing with this is, it sets in about 5 minutes. Like, you put on, it's a gel, and
is it blue?
no, what?
Because you know, like that.
Yeah,
that
it's
line
light
is
blue. It's light blue on the inside. There's a tiny bit of residue left. And it sets. It's kind of like putting on a mask, but it's like a kind of just like a gel moisturizer. You put it on, and it takes a few minutes like any other mask would. But once it sets, it's not going to come off on your pillow. It's just set. But one night I had put it on, and I get in bed, and I'm talking to my husband, and he turns to look at me and he goes, why is your face so shiny? Because you are a little shiny, because you're a little extra moisturized. But
can you sleep with it on? Is it like a sleeping mask?
it's an overnight mask.
Oh,
it's a sleeping
sweet.
mask. And you wake up in the morning, and then it kind of, when you get it wet, it like reactivates. You know, you have to like, it doesn't feel like there's anything on your skin, but then when you go to wash it off, you can tell that it's like locked in all that moisture.
This is a great stuffing stuffer. Stuffing stuffer.
It is. It would be.
Stocking stuffer.
And I'm telling you, I had the best makeup day of my life, because I did use this the day we landed in Ireland, because then I was like really needing the moisture, and that night I used this, and I woke up the next morning, and look, I'm going to tell you, my skin looked amazing.
Pacifica Coconut Probiotic Water Rehab Cream. Boost hydration, fight skin hangover. That is so many words. Stop that right now. But gosh, I love Pacifica. I love this brand. I love the way this smells. It smells like coconut. It reminds me of a tropical vacation.
Where's my Pacifica stuff?
I love Pacifica stuff. Love, love, love it.
This is actually not empty, but it's in the empties, because this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. And the reason why, I don't know if you could, it's stopped working.
Oh, that's dumb.
And
that's so annoying on so many levels.
It does big droplets. See those splotches?
Right.
And nobody wants like big water spots on their face.
Mhm.
So I have the white bottled version of this, which is just their natural finish, I think. I mean, I don't even know where I got it. I wouldn't have a receipt. I don't know. but
Well,
I like the regular Photo Focus white bottle spray.
what's the white one? What's different?
It's just, I think, a natural finish.
Oh, okay.
And this is a matte finish.
You guys, this is so amazing, and I will be using this product again and again and again and again and again. Like Megan said earlier, I don't know exactly what it's doing, but I
didn't know you were using this.
The juice. Yes, yes, yes. It is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, and
125 American freaking dollars.
This did not cost $125. It came in a pack with this and the Sunday Riley Night Oil, and I think those two items together were close to $100. It was a real big splurge, but my skin really, really, really needs some help. And what this does, it's like a lactic acid treatment. It kind of stings when you put it on. I don't use it every night, just because it can hurt, but it helps with like dark spots and all kinds of those things, and it was amazing.
Ladies, when your brows are clear like mine, you have all the brow products. So
I want you to get microblading so bad.
God, I'm so afraid. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, so these three are the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This is my favorite. The Anastasia Brow Wiz.
Well, yes, because it's the nicest and most expensive.
The spoolie snapped off. That was my
Oh,
fault.
that's
it's so good. But at $20, when I can go through this, look.
A week?
I mean, not that fast, but fast. I go for the cheaper version. Mm-hmm. So I told Wendy about that I was using which one is this? The L'Oreal. And she said, no. Go get the Maybelline version. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise.
You don't like it?
I love it.
Ah!
It's better than the L'Oreal.
Because the L'Oreal is so stiff. The pencil part is stiff, I feel like. It's too waxy.
I don't know what the difference is, but I like the Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise. That's what I'm using. I have one upstairs.
I mean, it's like a micro baby little.
Yeah, all of these are that style. I have this Maybelline Brow Drama Powder. It's not for me. It's the color is
brown.
Blonde. It's too dark. It's too dark for me. More brow, NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I do like this, and it's a good like light blonde taupey color. I do like that a lot. And you can almost wear it on its own. So like if it's a day when I'm just like real rushing, I would use just this.
Cool.
And then this is from Soap & Glory. This is their brow fiber gel, very similar to Benefit's Gimme Brow. And I liked this a lot as well. Tiny little spoolie. Can you see that? It's itty bitty, but it has fibers and it's tinted. And I usually wear it over a pencil.
I'm so excited you like those Maybelline ones.
You do?
I feel like vindicated.
I do. I am going to say something. Someone nicely pointed out on our last Empties video that most of this can't be recycled traditionally. And so there is a company called TerraCycle that will allow you to recycle these. And this particular friend of ours has access to like a TerraCycle box. So you should look and see if there's one in your area, or if you know someone, or if you want to order one for yourself. Some of their boxes are free. And some of them have a fee to order the box. They do things like you can recycle K-cups and anything that's not anything, but a lot of things that are not traditionally recyclable, like Capri Sun boxes.
I did not know that.
Yes. So thank you, Michelle, for pointing that out on our last Empties video. She had actually said she'd be happy to come pick up these things for us and recycle them. So I'm not going to ask her to come pick it up, but I may see if I can drop some things off to her.
I may look into ordering one.
Yeah,
that's really exciting.
All right, guys, thank you so much as we count down to Christmas. You can find our playlist of our countdown to Christmas videos, a new video every Monday through Thursday as we count down to Christmas. How many times can I say that? 2018. We will see you in another video very soon. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, come back for new videos from us, and we'll see you in another video very soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.